welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the unboxing of the October Look Fantastic beauty box. This is the beauty box from Look Fantastic on October. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So let's get into showing you everything about this beauty box. Before I get to show you quickly everything you need to know about Look Fantastic and their beauty boxes and their advent calendar, which I think is still pre-order or you can actually purchase it now, everything will be linked in the description box below for you guys. So let's get on to showing you this beauty box. So this is the October Look Fantastic beauty box. Like I said, everything about Look Fantastic and these beauty boxes will be listed in the description box below. Also, if you are thinking about ordering the advent calendar from Look Fantastic, there is going to be a sneak peek at the end of this video, so please stay tuned. So let's get into opening this month's beauty box. So with every month you receive a beautiful little beauty box edit booklet. It just basically tells you everything you need to know about the products and everything else, and it gives you a sneak peek at the end as well. Don't that look all so nice and cozy? Oh my god, I cannot wait for the cozy winter. As you can see, it's all wrapped up really nicely in this beautiful tissue paper. And as you can see, there is a beautiful array of products. The first thing that actually caught my eye is this. So this is two beautiful yellow scrunchies from the Vintage Cosmetics. Absolutely stunning. They are beautiful colours. They are so perfect for the summer and they are absolutely beautiful. Nice and satin as well. Next thing that caught my eye was this. This is the Rituals of Myrrh. I think that's how you say it. Loving Body Cream. Now, if any of you guys have never tried the Rituals body creams or hand creams or scrubs, then I highly recommend them. They are absolutely incredible and they smell beautiful as well. They absolutely are beautiful products. They smell insane. If any of you guys love the kind of smells of like spas, then this product is the one for you. Also, you can actually purchase Rituals stuff not only from Look Fantastic website, but you can actually get them from Amazon as well. I love them to bits. Lumia Raf absolutely loves them. Now, this little guy here is from the Phillips and Kingsley Bond Building Split Ends Remedy. So this is all for your split ends. I have loads of stuff for like split ends, hair stuff. I have loads and loads of stuff, but this will come in handy because it is a very small little product, so it's easy to travel with you. So if you're going on holiday, or you have got to go to an event or anything else, or you've got a party or anything and you need something for split ends, then this little guy will come in handy. I absolutely love these little products here because they can come in handy in whatever you're doing or wherever you're going. The next one is this. So this is a TU mask. This is not for your hair, this is for your face. So this is a beautiful like kind of yellowy, kind of creamy face mask, which if you guys have seen my face mask collection, you guys know that I do not need any more face masks. But a girl can never have too many face masks. So I have this little beauty as well. Then I have the Florga, so sorry if I pronounced that wrong, Oxygen Glow Intense Cream. So this is for your face. So this gives you a nice glowing moisturising face, and it's actually a small product as well, so it can easily put in your cosmetics bags or in your handbag, or if you are going on an event or a day out and you don't want to take so much makeup but you still want to look like your skin is nice and glowy, then this product will be your best friend. Then last but no means least, we have the eCooking Cleansing Gel. I have so many products from eCooking. I've got hand gels, hand lotions, body lotions, I think I've got a scrub somewhere, I think, and now I've got a cleansing gel from eCooking. I haven't not actually used the brand yet. It says here normal to oily skin as well, gently cleansing, and yeah, I am so excited to give this a go. So guys, that is all the products that I received in this month's Look Fantastic beauty box. Again, everything will be listed in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. Even this box, I'm not too sure if it's still available, but I will just link everything anyway. If you have the advent calendar or thinking about buying the advent calendar, I'm going to give you a sneak quick peek now. Those of you who have ordered the advent calendar, don't want to look at the actual packaging or want to know what's inside, then please look away now and skip to the end. For those of you who are interested in the advent calendar, I will do a whole video of it anyway, but this is, oh, it's absolutely massive. This is the Look Fantastic advent calendar. It obviously has 25 days. 25 days, as you can see me. I will be speaking without through this. It's got 25 days through there. It's got a little saying. Like I said, I will do a full review of the Look Fantastic advent calendar on a separate video. But you can actually purchase the advent calendar from Look Fantastic on the actual website as well, and I will leave everything you need to know about the advent calendar in the description box below. I'm going to put this down because it's so heavy. So guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed everything about Look Fantastic. Their beauty boxes, their advent calendar will be in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. Like I said, I will be doing a separate video for the advent calendar, so there will be a separate video of that, just in case you are interested in more depth about the advent calendar. I am going to buy the glossy box one as well, like I had last year. I had the Look Fantastic one and the glossy box one, and this year I'm going to have both again. Why not? Treat yourself over Christmas. It is nice to treat yourself once in a while. So without further ado, if you have enjoyed this video group, give it a great big thumbs up, but don't forget to click on the notification bell, and don't forget to click on the notification so you are subscribed, and don't forget to click on the bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads. I love you guys so much. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.